Hey, welcome back to the garage. Tomorrow is the all-European car show at Lauritzen Gardens. And I brought the Volvo a handful of times. I brought the Beetle a handful of times. And I've been working on both of them quite a bit lately. And so I thought it would be cool to try and get both of them there. And while looking for people to help me drive them, because they're all manuals, ended up finding enough people that we're gonna take all three, the Volvo, the 911, and the Beetle. I've pretty much always had multiple European cars, and usually at the show, there's some point where I'm like, I wish I had the other one here, even if it's just for like one conversation. So being able to bring all three, I think is gonna be super cool. They're all like ready to go. They just need to get cleaned. I've been driving the Volvo daily for a couple weeks now, so we're gonna get that washed. The 911's been up on the rack here. It's just a little dusty. I might just dust it off. We'll see. And then the Beetle, it's never been washed, but we're gonna just quick detail it and clean up the inside a little bit because there's some junk in there. Last time I drove it, it was in the rain, so it's got kind of splatters everywhere and the floor looks bad. So let's go ahead and get these cleaned. Four and a half, 5 hours later, got everything cleaned up and ready to go. We just got to throw some chairs and a cooler in the Volvo. Gave it a full wash, waxed some areas, did a full interior detail. The 911 was pretty clean, so we just wiped off the dust. The inside looks fine. We even vacuumed the inside of the Beetle. Well, the seats. It's kind of the only thing in there to vacuum. And gave it a wipe down as well, because last time we drove it, it was wet. So we'll see you again in the morning when the rest of the crew is here to take these to Lauritzen Gardens.
I just wanna give you something to believe in. Believe in. Believe in. I just wanna give you something to believe in. Believe in.
another super cool show. It's a little bad because every year it gets bigger, but also the gardens give us less and less space. They're developing and like building new facilities and growing more native grasses, but still a cool show. Always a ton of cars, hard to capture everything, but would definitely recommend trying to make it out. I think that's all we're gonna get for this year. So thanks for watching. Pretty exciting bringing everything here. We'll see you next time.